Hey everyone, it's Shauna the Tax Goddess, and I'm so happy to be here with you today. Our channel, Tax Strategies That Save Entrepreneurs Thousands Each Year, is dedicated to helping business owners reduce their tax burdens in all the legal ways possible. Now, today we're going to be talking about one of the big hit list items, scams, IRS scams. This happens all the time. So if this is your first time here with us today at Tax Strategies That Save Entrepreneurs Thousands, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to download our free ebook, 10 Ways to Save 10K Right Now. Or of course, you can check out our website at bigtaxdrop.com. Super excited. Hopefully this Thursday, make sure that you're watching. We should be having an event live, well, I guess not live, but pre-recorded for ABC 15 News, which is local here in Arizona. So check it out. If not, come back to our channel and watch for the video. So today, let's jump right in, all right? So there's a new scam that's hitting specifically Hotmail users at this point. The scammers are sending emails to the Hotmail users, basically suggesting that they need extra information to be able to process the tax returns. Now, what's happening is that they are sending you a link in an email that directs you to a fake Microsoft page, which of course is going to ask you for personal and financial information. Now, you guys should know, and I know we've talked about this before, the IRS will never ever contact you by email, period. Never, ever, ever, ever. I know I can't say that enough, but if you get an email from an IRS agent, that is not an IRS agent, guys. It is a scam. So don't click on links from emails from the IRS. Certainly, please don't be filling in any personal information, birthday, social security number, bank account information, none of that at any time. They may even be asking you for PIN numbers. There's IRS security pins now, specifically to try and fight this identity theft and fraud. So the IRS has seen a lot of these schemes that are specifically targeted against Hotmail users. So if you have a Hotmail account, you get an email from the IRS, just delete it, just flat out delete it. It might even have viruses, all sorts of nasty stuff. So just flat out delete it, okay? So just some brief reminders. The IRS will never, ever call you to demand immediate payment over the phone, okay? We're seeing cases where these scammers will actually call you, say that you owe the IRS money, that they're going to come to your house, but, you know, if you go and buy some gift cards and give me those numbers over the phone, then we won't come bother you. Scammers, guys, absolutely scammers. The IRS will never call you demanding funds. You will always get a letter certified or a letter on formal letterhead from the IRS. And if you ever have any concerns about whether it's real or not, the people on the other end of the 1040 line are actually really, really cool from that standpoint. So make sure if you get a letter and you don't think it's right, or you think something is incorrect or might be a scam, feel free to call the IRS and double check if the letter actually came from them. Now, the IRS will never call again or email you to verify your personal or financial information. That's a scammer. Get rid of them. They'll never demand that you pay taxes without the opportunity to question and or appeal the amount that is owed. So go ahead and ignore those people. They'll never require you to use a specific payment method, such as a prepaid debit card. Not true. Don't do that, okay? Asking for credit card, debit cards over the phone. Scammers, more and more scammers. These guys are getting really, really good, okay? They sound strong and forceful. They sound like the IRS. They sound really threatening. Blow them off, okay? Call the IRS. Go to irs.gov. Call the 800 number there. Or, of course, you can always reach out to your CPA, your tax preparer. They should be able to help you call the IRS on your behalf, okay? These scammers will literally threaten to bring in the local police or other law enforcement groups and have you arrested for not paying. Absolutely not. Okay, these are all scammers. So if you've heard of any of these, if you have friends that are being called by the IRS, okay, It's not true. Absolutely not. Hang up the phone. If you can, if you want to actually help your local law enforcement and the IRS, see if the scammers will provide you a callback telephone number so that you can call back and get that information. That will actually help the IRS and help the police try and catch the bad guys. So if you're in the mood to kind of play with the scammers a little bit, that is something you can try. Okay, so thanks so much for joining us here today. We always want to bring you value in the form of education, entertainment, or inspiration. Entertaining might be fun, kind of playing with the bad guys, the scammers. But of course, don't do that unless you feel comfortable with it. So please leave any questions or comments in the sections below, and we will do our best to answer them or cover your topics, your desired topics, in our next videos. So remember, we should be posting for ABC 15 coming up here this week sometime. And please remember to subscribe if this is your first time here with us at Tax Strategies that save entrepreneurs thousands each year, the channel dedicated to helping owners reduce their tax burdens in all the legal ways possible. So check us out at bigtaxdrop.com, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.